Breaking news here. Sessions Court has granted DIG Sunil Paraskar interim relief from arrest till the 31st of July. We've got Kajal who's joining us on the phone line for more on this story. Kajal, tell us what really transpired at the court hearing.
Well, RPS Paraskar had come to Sessions Court today seeking for interim relief against arrest because considering that a rape case has been filed against him, arrest was imminent at any point. He came to the court on the ground saying that he had got in touch with this model because she was one of the accused in an escort service case that they had been investigating, and that is when he met her. He admitted to his lawyer, he admitted in court that he has met the model at coffee shops and malls, but that he has only met her a couple of times and that there was nothing to the tune as which the model is alleging. Interestingly, the model has claimed that she has video evidence of these encounters with him, and which also she claims to have submitted along with her complaint. The court, taking into account his submission that considering he is a senior ranking official and he is not liable to abscond, has given him interim relief against arrest till the 31st of July. So the police will not arrest him till the 31st of July, during which time he may try to prepare his defense. However, after 31st of July, it will depend on the stage at which the investigation is, and plus whether or not he is given any further relief, or else he could be arrested post 31st of July. But till 31st, no arrest in this case.
Right, Kajal. Thanks for bringing us that update as far as the case in Mumbai is concerned. So some interim relief coming there for the top cop.